In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview your emails in Outlook in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Outlook or simply looking to improve your efficiency, getting a quick look at your email content without opening each one can be incredibly handy. So let's dive right in. To start off, head over to the Microsoft 365 Outlook login page. On this page, look for the sign in option. It's typically in a prominent place, so you should be able to spot it without much trouble. Go ahead and click on sign in. If you have your details saved, this process will be quick. Otherwise, just enter your email and password. Remember, keeping your login information secure is important, so be sure to use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication if possible. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Outlook page. Now find and click on the Mail option, which will take you directly to your inbox. Here is where the magic happens, your central hub for all correspondence. Now to enable email preview text, you'll need to access the View options. Look for View in your menu bar and give it a click. Upon doing so, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting various display settings for your emails. From this menu, click on Messages. This is the step where you instruct Outlook on how you'd like to see your emails displayed. The final selection in this segment is Message Preview. Selecting this will reveal an additional choice where you can customize how much of each email's contents you want to see. Click on Show Preview Text. When Show Preview Text is activated, you'll notice that you can see a snippet of the email content directly in your inbox view. This snippet is incredibly useful because it gives you a quick glimpse of the email's essence without having to open it. Therefore, you can prioritize which emails need immediate attention and which ones can wait, saving you a significant amount of time and effort. And there you have it. A quick, efficient way to preview your emails in Outlook. By enabling message previews, you've now optimized your workflow, making it easier to manage your inbox with heightened efficiency. Keep in mind, these settings make it much quicker to navigate through your emails, but also ensure your screen doesn't feel cluttered. Adjust these preferences based on how you work best. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance with Outlook features, feel free to reach out. Happy emailing!